Hello friends, today we will see the detail of single part channel and pipe drawings. Okay, before we edit the drawings, first we will change the name. Okay, name and the scale and also the text height, and also we'll check the view. Okay, first see here you will tick off, go to properties and tick off. You will give the name as a channel. Okay, and also will see the we'll check the view as a local view. Okay, also give the scale as a 12. Okay, then we will check the dimension, text height. Okay, 3 by 32 will given. Okay, okay, then after that this is the pipe drawing, so we'll give the tick off, go to properties and give tick off and give the name as a pipe. Caps. Okay, then go to view. So local view only. Okay, give the dimension, text height is also the same. Okay, okay, next we will edit the drawing. See, not it's modify. Okay, give the modify, give us a modify. Okay, then we go to detail of first drawing, channel drawing. Okay, here you will see here the overall dimension will give, and also x and y dimension will give. Horizontal cope cut dimension, this is the cope cut dimension. Okay, vertical, and also give the radius. Flip out. Okay, you will place the drawing in middle of the page, and also top view also will give the top view and align vertically. Okay, we'll move on to the next drawing. Here you will see this is one of the channel drawing. Partial of the dimension will give the Tekla, but you will check whether it is the if this dimension is needed or not. Okay, but I will give the fresh, I will give in fresh. Okay, here see that hope cup x dimension will be give. Here you will copy this dimension and also give, paste this. Okay, no issues, but okay, you will give in fresh only. The scope cut dimension will be give this scope cut dimension, and also this horizontal dimension will be give, and vertical scope cut dimension will give. Here you will align this dimension. Then give the radius. Okay, Flip out side. Here you will give the radius. Then you will give the vertical and horizontal hole dimension, hole locking. Okay. Copy this dimension, Control C. So Control V. Okay. Presentation is very much important. You place the drawing in middle of the sheet. Then top this dimension, vertical dimension will be give, and also here you see this whole locking, whole part mark will be missing. Here add part mark. Okay, we'll select all the four and give add part mark 4. Okay, here also select all the four and give part mark. Okay, overall dimension, this all will be finished. Then we will move on to the next drawing. Here also the same drawing. Okay, overall will be given. The partial of the dimension will be give to the Tekla. You will rearrange. Okay, everything. Here see, overall dimension will be given, and also the whole locking, X locking will be given. Cope cut dimension will be given. Here the cope cut dimension will be give the cope cut dimension, and also will give the vertical dimension of the holes. Okay, using the draw line and will be give like this. Okay, then also will give the radius. You will align the top and the front view. Place the drawing in middle of the page. Okay, you move on to the next drawing. Here you will see vertical hole locking will give the vertical hole locking. Then vertical hole locking and horizontal hole locking. Okay. Then give the part mark. Well, align top and the front view. Okay. We move on to the next drawing. Okay, here the scale is high. Okay, so we tick off, then go to scale, changes 6. Okay, changes 12, but here shortening will give. Okay, we move on this one here. Here the overall dimension will be given. After that, you will tick on the center line. Okay, because this is the pipe, so that's why we tick on the center line, and also will give the cut dimension. Here you will give the bevel dimension. On ortho, right clicks free, then go to pick this point, pick and drag. Okay, you align top view and a front view. Align vertically. Okay, next you will give the next you will move on to the next drawing. Here I'll give the shortening as a 12. Okay, the overall dimension will given. After that, you will give the cut dimension. Vertical locking of the vertical locking also will be given. Okay, next here the cut dimension will be given. Tick on the center line. Here you will give the bevel dimension. Okay, pick the point and click the ortho and right click free button on the free button and click and drag. Okay, here also will give the bevel dimension. Okay friends, here you will give the radius. Okay, on the center line. Also give the radius. Okay, the presentation is very important, so you will give the dimension without clashes. Okay. Okay, I hope you everyone understands the today lesson. Okay, we will see some other single parts in some other videos. See you. Bye bye. Thank you.